Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to put YouTube music on your YouTube Shorts on your PC. So this is your YouTube interface. Afterward, go to your YouTube Studio, and then go to your content. Click Shorts. Afterward, this is the sample that I make. So how to add music YouTube Shorts. So over here, so this is first the no sound.
Just adding YouTube music here on YouTube Studio. Mic check.
So there's no sound. Click editor, add audio. So this is the different track without copyright infringement, and you can put also library if you want. So I'm just gonna put the statement over here. To control the volume over here in the mix level, so I'm just gonna be the lowest one and then save. So it's gonna be applied. It takes minutes, turn hours, so acknowledge. Cannot be changed anymore after that, so we're just gonna wait. And then after many minutes, here we go. We'll check now about the music. So there's like here and background stuff like that. So that's it. If you like this kind of video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.